Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And this morning I've got this little single hanger box that I found just kind of being all lonely at my local Walmart. So I kind of felt sorry for it and said, let me get it out of there. To be honest, I don't even know what the cost was for it. Somewhere between 10 and 20. But yeah, so according to this, there are hanger box exclusive goal line parallels, 9 of them per box on average. And then it talks about you get the purple insert parallels for the hanger boxes. And again, Panini doesn't print odds, but those are the different things that you can get. As well as it talks about that you have the stunning die cuts, thunder and lightning, rookie wave, and more. So yeah, so this is all I have. Just a one single hanger box. I was curious if they had any Series 1 baseball blasters, but alas, nothing there. So yeah, a fancy wrap. And it feels like instead of it being at the bottom of the box, it's at the top of the box. So it makes it kind of top heavy, which is kind of weird. It looks like there is a Kid Reporter, even though it's expired now. I believe it's expired. So you get the clear cello pack and a big old block of cards. And again, playoff is really not a really, like say, huge product. It's sort of a low-end product along the lines of Score. But just a base design, not much to it. And it looks like for stats, all they do is they have the previous season. I mean, when playoff was its own brand, it was a far better product. But with Panini owning it, it's kind of just mediocre. It's kind of a nice retail product, but sadly they make a hobby version too. So I don't think it warrants it being a hobby product, but it is what it is. Little Tua, Elway, Baker, Herbert, Jerry Jeudy, T. Higgins. We're our Super Bowl backup. Brandon Ayuk, Dalvin Cook, DeMarcus Lawrence, a little Jameis Winston, Logan Thomas, former quarterback for Arizona, now is converted into a tight end. So yeah, he's been able to continue his career, even though it wasn't behind center. DJ Moore. So far, not a single rookie. There's Daniel Jones. Not sure if he'll play again. This whole neck injury. Traquan Smith, Chase Young, Isaiah Simmons, Aaron Rodgers. There's a Joe Montana. Calvin, Kyler. Jacob Harris. Our Super Bowl champs. LA Rams. Oh, here we go. I guess that was where it started, was Jacob Harris, rookie. Marcus Stevenson, rookie. Eric Stokes, rookie. Najee Harris, rookie. Chuba Hubbard, rookie. Frank Darby, rookie. Oh, these are goal line. So there's 3 goal line inserts. DJ Chark. Chris Herndon the 4th. Melvin Gordon. More goal line. Brian Urlacher. Jalen Ramsey. Adam Thielen, Sam Ellinger, Javon Holland, and a Rondale Moore. Were they all blue? No, these ones are different. So these ones are just regular, like gold line, and then but these are the rookies. Gotcha. Sorry about that. A little coughing fit. So yeah, the base do not, or the base do have it. They have it at the bottom, the blue line, and then the rookies are on the top. And then it looks like we got some Thunder and Lightning inserts. A little chrome style. Or prism. Thunder and Lightning insert. A rookie wave of Rondale Moore. And not a bad one to get. A silver version or hollow version or whatever they want to call it. Thunder and Lightning with Tom Brady and looks like Rob Gronkowski. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot there. No hits to speak of, no relics, no autograph, no numbered cards. I guess I should double check that prism though to see if it is numbered or not. I didn't really see one, but nope, no number. So there you go. There's the highlight of the box. A Thunder and Lightning Prism Silver. Because then you got this Thunder and Lightning playoff. It just doesn't have the prism. It's just a base. And then, of course, the rookie wave of Rondale Moore. And then here's our rookies. Chuba, Najee, Eric Stokes, Marquez Stevenson, Jacob Harris. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2021 playoff football. A hanger box. So have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.